Hi friends, this video is not going to be about money and yet everything to do with making money, so stay to the end to understand why. This video is for people who has less than $1 million. Why? When you know how to make $1 million, the rest comes easy. So if you want to make millions and live the life you always dream of, give me 6 minutes. I don't ask for anything back and never will. But if you want to thank me, show me your success. This video, I'm going to be pretty serious and none of my usual lame humor from donkeys to donuts. This is me being serious. About 12 to 20 years ago, I'm 40, fuck. I followed this safe path, a certain path, a government job for stable income, got married because it's stable, bought a house because it's mine, and a car because successful and busy people do that. All of the above, I just mentioned, gone down the drain, and I take 100% responsibility. I'm not this great person you think I am. I'm human, I'm a guy, plenty of faults and far from perfect. Deep inside me, I knew something wasn't right. I wasn't happy, I wasn't fulfilled. I was trying to find happiness in the smallest things, yet I was still dying. Things started to change slowly after I learned just this one thing. The 6 human basic needs and where are your priorities. Upon learning this over 10 years ago from Tony Robbins, I had 2 paths in front of me. To follow the crowd or set my own path. And this path I chose led me to my millions. Every human has 6 needs. I don't care where you are from, your color, your face, religion, fat, slim, sexy, smelly, rich or poor. We all have the same needs. The difference is which of the top 2 needs you value the most, because the top 2 determines your direction in life. Look, I'm not going to go through all the needs. This video, the focus is on certainty because most of you are in this category. Today, my goal is to just open up your mind to a possibility of a mindset shift. I believe you heard me say this a few times. Most people are certainty driven because it makes them feel in control. But take note means, writing this down now. Take note of what I'm going to say. Majority of people are certainty driven because certainty is a built-in survival response. And it's because most people are certainty driven, they give up their hopes, their goals, and their dreams for certainty. This is the most important sentence from this video. Remember this sentence. This is the next path in life I'm opening for you, or you can take the path of majority people take, which is not wrong. But if you want to set your own path, this is it. Most people value certainty so high, the cost of valuing certainty will destroy their entire life. This channel is mostly talking about money, so let's talk about how certainty can wipe out your money. I remember this man in his 70s bought an industrial estate for $2.3 million, full cash. I remember while doing the tenancy and purchase agreement, he was a real pain in the ass. Word for word, constant change till the lawyers almost give up because he wanted certainty. But this guy paid a premium for the property. He was willing to pay more. $2.3 million to secure a longer term rental and a freehold property, all for a monthly rental of $5,600. Think about it, $2.3 million, full cash, monthly rental $5,600. Those in the property game like Stephen Graham or Meet Kevin, or my sexy friend Jermaine who owns 20 over properties. This deal will make them go nuts. And it's a true story. I still have the paperwork with me. COVID came, government stepped in. Till now, from what I last know, the property still has no tenants. The cost of certainty. Let's talk stock market / property, also known as REITs. We all know that many REITs have taken a hit. So much for certainty. All that capital for that 3 to 5% a year, you need 20 years to take back that capital. Like, how about the safest REITs? Hospital REITs. How can a hospital be ever in trouble? I present to you this. Nothing is certain. Certainty in a relationship. Checking your partner's mobile because you want to feel certain. How about this? Your partner can be hot, can be popular, whatever. If you value yourself, your partner will also see value in you. If they don't, true colors will show. that action of checking may actually cost you your relationship because the trust is not there. Or how about being afraid to leave a stable job? There's many pain and costs associated from here, from opportunity cost to your health, and the company may not even last that long. You could have left your job 10 years ago and made millions. The cost of not giving yourself a chance and believing in yourself. Most people work all their lives because they are here. The cost of certainty is very expensive. Oh, the next crash is coming, I'll hold cash. Yeah, you didn't lose anything but hell a lot of opportunity cost. You could be relaxing now by the beach, hiking the mountains, or anything you like. Wrapping up, for your own good, move away from the biggest circle. Start to feel comfortable with a little uncertainty. It's healthy. I said this a few times. The happiest people in the world are the people most comfortable with uncertainty. I hope this video changes your life and opens up a new path. My videos are not for everybody, but if I'm able to change a small percentage, it fulfills one of my human needs: contribution, to help make the world a better place. Thank you for all your likes. Donated another $2,000 to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. You guys are the best. Invest and save.